guys, it's Hasbro Games Andre. Today we're going to review the first month Happy Meal Toys or the September toys. These are Hasbro Games. So McDonald's is continuing their trend of real life toys into Happy Meal Toys. First start with Squishmallows, then Nerf, and now Hasbro Games. And these are paper toys. Now, even though I don't like paper toys, I'm still gonna buy them because they look interesting. Let's start with my favorite, Connect 4. Let's open this. These are cardboard. And the last paper design box were the Teen Titans Go toys back in September. And that's funny, the first September, both paper toys. So there you go. But at least these are toys, unlike those like posters. We got the board. So all know these are famous games of Hasbro. So we got that for everything out. It's a lot of discs, and then we got the instructions in there which we don't need. Basically, you have to put this disc. There's chip there, and then the next player, and whoever gets 4 in a row. But these are kind of hard to put out because sometimes they get stuck, so do be careful with your Connect 4. Now let's go with this one. This really big one. This is I was gonna say Uno, but this is Guess Who. So let's unbox this. And these are exactly designed like the packages when you buy them in stores. Blue. Got the instructions, and there is a QR code so you can scan. They have been doing this lately with the recent Happy Meal toys like the Squishmallows. So I think the Squishmallows, McDonald's have been doing a trend recently like with QR codes and the like real life toy thing. So one player has to hide the card, and they have to ask what the player 2 has to say. Is this a boy or a girl? If they say, is this a boy? No. So, you have to take out all the boys and then decide on a girl because there's no boy. But just buy these toys so that you can understand this better. Number 3 is Jenga. Probably the most, it's probably Monopoly. So, basically, we have 18 bricks here. Let's just, I'm not really going to build it whole. So this is how you make the bricks. These are cardboard. These are so difficult. So you thicken it up like this, like that. So I'm like doing arts. Has to not fall. Because if you fall, it will land on you. So you do not want that to happen. There you go. That's Jenga. Alright, so now let's go with this one right here. This twister. There, so I don't think this puts together like how about like this? There. Spin. And there. There's twister. There's the board. And let's see if these instructions are helpful or not. So if that's on like index finger yellow, for example, so you have to do like this, like that, until your fingers are all gone. You use all your fingers. That's Twister. Pretty straightforward game, simple but nice. Next is a crazy game right here. It's actually quite fun, but this might take a few hours to play, so just gonna go brief. This is Operation. There you go, Operation. Oh no, I broke the box. It's a box in a box. I've never seen this, so this is actually the body, and then let's grab all the parts. So I'll set up the game board here. I'm actually really good at this. So number 6 is Battleship. This is actually a pretty complicated game, but let's try. We try everything on this channel, so we do not give up. This is good papers. Then our ball pen, pencil, red ball pen, pencil, whatever. You have to draw. I don't know, you don't really have to draw. You got 2 papers. Then we got this book. It's like a little book. So yeah, that game is quite complicated, and just read the instructions if you want more details. So we got number 7, Game of Life. So how do we... I actually never played this game, so let's teach everything out. So we have this. What's this? Like a star?
It's
like
for
a
the
duck.
wheel.
For the wheel, we got the wheel. We got this cut out. So please, McDonald's, make the next Happy Meal Toys plastic. There. This does not go well. So number 8 last toy is probably the GOAT of Hasbro, Monopoly. So we all know how to play this. I actually don't know a lot, but I do know that we have a big version of this, and Ate loved to play with back in the day. There's 4 pieces. These are technically kind of like plastic, but not really. Like a hard paper plastic. We got... These are the things that you're supposed to buy.
No, this one.
What's this?
These are plain, like, the metal thingies.
Are these cutouts?
Yes. We can build that one somewhere.
That's pretty much it. So now, let's close here. Okay guys, that's the end of our video. Hope you enjoy. I'll give this set a 6 out of 10 because perfectly nice, fun, but just too much paper and too much stuff to lose. And hoping the next McDonald's toys will be plastic or maybe figures. That will be my dream. Tell McDonald's guys on Facebook, McDonald's, please release toys that are plastic. Anyways, so let's do our shoutouts. First shoutout goes to Mama and Dada. Thank you for buying me all of these because we ate McDonald's 2 days in a row, but that's alright. Thank you also to Ate, who just ate the nuggets and the spaghetti. Joke. And love you. And of course to Kuya Kyle, also known as Boss Kyle, that's so correct. Shout out to you, of course. And then shout out to my friends, my new grade 7 classmates, and 2 old, of course. Joke. Shan and Ryan, shout out to you guys. Hope we will see on Monday. And to my new classmates, Michael, whose birthday is next Saturday, so that's exciting. Happy birthday to you, Michael. And also to Ashley, Kate, and Yana, shout out to you. Hope we will see again in school on Monday. Hope you guys will go to school and not be absent. Joke. All of my teachers, especially Ma'am Gutierrez, our grade 7 advisor, shout out to you. Hope we will meet on Monday. Because I'm so excited to go to school on Monday because I like going to school before I don't. I kind of like high school more than elementary. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this September vlog. My first vlog when I'm 12 years old. Yes, I'm 12 now. I had my birthday last Monday. Fortunately, we were busy so we wouldn't make a vlog. So, thank you so much for watching. For me, you can buy this. It's up to you. It's not like, oh, buy this now. No, you can buy this or not buy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.